Welcome to the CCV Resume Workshop. My name is Anya Willett, and I'm one of the career consultants available to help you write your resume. This workshop is designed to help you wherever you are in your resume writing, from gathering information to fine-tuning. Our self-guided modules include step-by-step directions, tips for revision, examples, and the relevant section in the CCV Resume rubric to help you guide your writing. Please keep in mind that your resume is an essential job document. It is a lot of work to write, so write a great one by planning ahead and giving yourself plenty of time to work on it. Once you're done, you'll have a polished resume that you can update and retarget to apply for jobs now or at any point in your career. If you have any questions or would like to work one-on-one with a career consultant, you can contact us by email at careerservices@ccv.edu, toll-free at 833-528-7468, or simply click the chat link to chat with us in real time whenever available. We look forward to working with you.